Welcome back to See My Review. If you're into heat for your feet, you're going to love what I've got for you today. I just got my hands on one of the most hyped and stylish sneaker collaborations out right now. The Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP Union LA Chicago Shadow. Today we're unboxing these beauties together, taking a detailed look at every stitch, and I'm also going to tell you where you can get them right now. And yes, they're on sale. Let's pop this box open. Right out of the gate, the packaging already feels premium. Union LA knows how to set the tone. And boom, there they are. That iconic mix of the classic Chicago red and white leather on the base, fused perfectly with the shadow, gray and black on the collar. You can see the university blue stitching running between the sections. It's exposed, it's intentional, and it gives the shoe that handcrafted, high-fashion vibe. Take a closer look and you'll notice the vintage touches all over. If you're a sneakerhead or fashion enthusiast always on the hunt for high-quality kicks without breaking the bank, then www.yupkicks.ru, http www.yupkicks.ru is a must-visit destination. This site has built a solid reputation for offering a massive selection of top-tier sneakers, from the hottest Jordans and Yeezys to rare collabs and classic retros. But it's not just about variety. The quality here is unmatched, with attention to detail that'll impress even the most seasoned collector. Every item is crafted with authenticity in mind, making it hard to tell the difference between these and the real retail releases. What really sets Yupkicks apart, though, is its commitment to customer satisfaction. You're getting affordable prices that won't empty your wallet, secure payment options for peace of mind, and super fast shipping that gets your order to your doorstep quicker than you'd expect. Plus, their customer service is on point, responsive, helpful, and always ready to assist with sizing, orders, or any questions you've got. Whether you're copying your next grail or just adding some heat to your rotation, www.yupkicks.ru, http://www.yupkicks.ru, delivers a seamless shopping experience that keeps people coming back. It's the kind of site you'll be excited to unbox from, and trust me, and more. They also have a rating system and reviews so you can shop with confidence. Plus, some insane deals on other hot sneakers while you're there. My pair got delivered within a few days and the packaging was spot on. Double boxed, no dents, no creases. You can tell they care about how their products reach you. And yes, they offer tracking, so you'll know exactly when to expect your fresh pair to land on your doorstep. If you've got questions or want to check out more from the store, their Instagram, WhatsApp, and other contact info is also linked in the description. Hit them up for updates, exclusive drops, or just to stay in the loop with what's trending. Styling-wise, the Union LA Chicago Shadow can be rocked with almost anything. I've seen them paired with cargos, denim, joggers, even shorts. The blend of red, black, and gray makes them incredibly versatile. And don't sleep on using the alternate laces. It changes the whole vibe of the shoe. What I love most is how Union LA didn't just slap two colors together. This sneaker feels thoughtful. The kind of craftsmanship that respects the roots of sneaker culture while pushing the envelope with fresh design elements.